Hello guys and girls, it's been a while since I made a video last, but today I really felt that this is something I want to share with you. So last week when I took a drive in my old Golf, the clutch simply went completely through the floor, and I basically just expected to be the clutch cable which had snapped, so I immediately just ordered a new cable, and when I had to replace it, I found out that the cable was actually not broken. It was something completely different, which kind of changed my situation completely, because this little metal tube was a part of the pedal console. So this is where you have the brake, the clutch, and the throttle pedal. And how it actually works is that through the chassis of the car here, this is where the clutch cable goes in. This small tube sticks out and the cable, I have another cable here, needs to go through. So it's kind of a guide. And you can see when this breaks off, you have a different situation, because I'm not able to go and weld. It's pretty complicated, or difficult in that position at least. So what happened was that when you press the clutch, the cable will just completely go right through the chassis, and you cannot press the clutch at all. So I actually came up with another idea, and this is what I want to share with you, because it could help you as well. So I drew this small bushing and had it 3D printed, which then just slides directly on the clutch cable like this. And then this flange actually supports against the chassis of the car, which enables the cable to work or to release the clutch. And it's not just a funny idea, it actually works, because the one I have fitted here, I just printed this in blue so you were able to see what it looks like. It sits right there, if you're able to see it. And it works completely like a charm. So I guess what I'm saying is that if you are in the same situation, text me or write in the comment. I can send you the file for the bushing here, and then you can have it 3D printed for yourself. That's it. All right, take care. Bye.